The next word we want to look at is 请问. That's Q-I-N-G in the third tone and 问, W-E-N, in the fourth tone. Now, don't be afraid to hit those fourth tones now. Hit them hard.
Spark 'em like a football and you just scored the winning touchdown in overtime.
That's right. So 请问 means please. May I ask? 请 literally means please. Like, please, I want to learn some more Chinese.
More Chinese, sir.
问 means to ask.
Very good.
So let's practice that a little bit.
Let's do this.
Let's practice saying 请 2 times. 请
请
Do you remember what the word 请 means? It means please. Now let's practice the word 问 2 times together. 问
问
Do you remember what 问 means? It means ask. How do these words sound if you put them together? 请问 Repeat that after us. 请问
请问
So how do you say please, may I ask, in Chinese? 请问
请问
Okay, so the next word is hui, H-U-I, fourth tone, which means to know how to do something. For example, I hui ride a bike, or I hui speak Chinese. H-U-I in the fourth tone. Again, hui means to know how to do something. Now let's practice saying that together. Let's practice saying the word hui 2 times together. Hui.
会
Do you remember what hui means? It means to know how to, or know how to. Repeat that after us. Hui.
会
So how do you say know how to or to know how to in Chinese? Hui. Okay, so the next word is 说, 说, which is S-H-U-O in the first tone. Now, 说 means to speak or to say. 说 means to speak or to say. Let's practice that together. Let's practice saying the word 说 2 times together. 说
说
Do you remember what 说 means? It means to speak or say. Repeat that after us. 说
说
How do you say to speak or say in Chinese? 说
说
If I were to say 会说, what would that mean? Good. It would mean know how to speak or know how to say. Now, how would you say you know how to speak? You would say 你会说. Let's practice using gradual sentence construction. Repeat after me. 你会说
你会说